Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in my domain controller for my lab.savagegrave.com domain. Anyway, so in a previous video I explained how to edit a local host DNS file, which is kind of cool for a local machine, but you may want to do this on a domain level. Obviously you've got to be careful, because you are going to block people from being able to access certain things. So anyway, we're going to create a new zone, and I'm going to click next, and it's going to be a primary zone. I'm going to click next, and I'm just going to click next again, and I'm going to call it Savage Grave or Steve.com. I'm going to click next. Yep. Okay. And here we go. And in here, I'm going to create a new record, a new host, a name. And what I'm going to do is do wiki. Okay. So it's going to be wiki.steve.com, and I'm going to give the IP address, as we did on the last one, 192.168.40.2, and I'm going to click add host. Okay, and then I'm going to click done. There we go. So now on my personal machine, if I open up here and I go to wiki.steve.com, as you can see, I am now on the Alma Linux test page, and if I do 3000, I'm back on my wiki here, and the reason being is I've added steve.com as a new forward lookup zone, which points to this machine. So it's basically going, okay, steve.com, and then going here. Yeah, confused? Don't be. If you are confused, leave a comment below and I'll explain further. Now, at the same time, what I can do is create a new lookup zone. So if I just go to forward lookup zones and I go to new zone, and again, I just leave the default here and I go to google.com just to prove that this actually works. And then I go into google.com and I add a new A record, and I do wiki, and again put the same IP address in, and then click add host. Okay, and I'll click done, and then go back here and I do wiki.google.com. Again, I should end up with the same Alma Linux test page, and then if I do port number 3000, I get the wiki.js page on wiki.google.com. Apologies in advance, google.com, but I just wanted to prove that because when you're on a domain, you're using the domain controller as a DNS entity, then obviously it's going to search there for the DNS records before it goes out on the World Wide Web. So if I typed in google.com, I should still be able to do a search. So if I just type in Microsoft, as you can see, I can access the internet. I can search still. The only problem is going to be is if there is a wiki.google.com. So if I type in wiki.google.com again, it has resolved to my IP address of 192.168.40.2. So you've got to be careful in how you do this kind of thing. But ultimately, you can, on a domain, create a new forward lookup zone with the domain that you wish to actually use. Obviously, if I typed in steve.com, I would go to a user's website. I'm not going to show the website because it's unfair. I don't have permission, but steve.com does actually exist. But ultimately, from a domain controller point of view, what you can do is create a name record and have your own internal IPs resolve that name. So as I said, you're creating a wiki.steve.com because you're creating an A name within that domain. Likewise, if I go into lab.cybersgrave.com, as you can see, I've got all these machines here. So if I was to type in here ping sab-dc-01, because I'm on the domain lab.cybersgrave.com, it's inputting that there. If I was to do ping.steve.com or google.com, actually, oh yeah, okay, it can't find the host. But if I was to ping wiki.google.com, again, we've got our internal IP address because we have set that up on the domain controller itself. So guys, I hope you found that useful. It can get you out of a hole a little bit. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this, please hit that like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and you won't miss a video when I post it online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.